What's up, guys? Got another one for you. We're gonna do a sprayed bed liner ourselves here. Let me flip you around. All right. It's the new Raptor bed liner. I just went with black. Bought 2 extra quarts. They say you can do this bed in 4, but I went 2 so I can spray extra thick on the bottom. Comes with the gun, the hardener, everything you need. All you need is a little pancake compressor. Got to strip out this plastic bed liner, get rid of that, and gotta get the tonneau cover off. Sand it all down, get her scuffed up, taped up, so we don't get any overspray. This stuff will stick to everything. Alright, I got the tonneau cover off. I got the old plastic bed liner in. I gotta clean this out, and then I have to sand every square inch of this bed so that I can get the bed liner all nice and tight. Alright guys, got it all sanded down. I got it masked off all over. Even went up all the way up to the cab. So the next, you just take this and you pour up to this ridge with the hardener you got. Shake it for 2 minutes. Put her on the gun. And you just spray sweeping patterns. You get a couple of them done, and I'll show you when I get there. Alright, so this is first coat. I bought 6 bottles. Did this whole bed and tailgate in 3. This is 6.5 foot bed. So I probably could have done it with just the regular 4 bottles. But that's okay. I'll do 2 full coats for the whole bed and have a thicker bed liner. Maybe it'll be a little more heavy duty. The directions I looked up online says to wait an hour for it to flash and then hit it with your second coat. So that's what we're gonna do. Give her an hour and hit her again and let her flash, and then we'll peel tape. So just if anybody's wondering, it does overspray like a son of a bee. So make sure you don't have anything you don't want sprayed around it. But from what it looks pretty good. Also, let me zoom in right here. That section right there, there was 3 holes. I just put some blue tape and then sprayed over it. I got the idea from a guy off of YouTube, and it worked out fantastic so far. Can't even tell there was holes there, so I'm assuming if you tag something there, it'll show its face again, but it's quite alright. Other than that, I'll show you guys when I'm completely done, and then you gotta wait, they say basically a week before you can use it for heavy duty. You can throw light stuff in it, but don't be dragging chainsaws and logs and all sorts of shit through it. So see you in a bit. Well guys, this is the next morning. They got a really nice dark sheen. I don't know how strong this stuff is, but it sure does look good. I can only see one tiny little flaw, which is right by that ball. I think probably because I touched it when I was pulling the tape off, so that's my fault. Other than that, she looks pretty dang good, I think. I wanted to show you guys one last time real quick. Bed rails on. That cap is on. I gotta buy new pins for those. Forgot to order those. That bed rail on. If you shoot it like me, I'll show you a little trick that I forgot, which I'm not really caring about, but yep, I missed that. And that one.
Just thinking of